coming from Lieutenant Stitchie, and only meant to be humorous. I don't mean to cast a fuss. Dedicate to all, not the dreadlocks, God, not the dreadlocks different from Rastaman. Seen? Follow it now, come now. They're not the dreadlocks of the years that type of living. When Babylon sing, and the rhythm now. Left them dreadlocks of the years that type of living. When Babylon sing, and the rhythm now. Left them spaghetti ding dong. Dreadlocks of the years that type of living. When Babylon sing, and the rhythm now. Left them in a country, Natty Dread doing some farming. All kind of things and Natty Dread the locks planting. Like banana, callaloo and pumpkin, dashing and cocoa pop, throw and planting, okra and pepper, and all kind of season. When the dread want money, the dread do some selling.